Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kate Murray here. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Anyways, today we're gonna be talking about the ultimate ways of taking care of your facial skin. What I mean is we're gonna be talking about what to use to clean your face. And the reason I decided to talk about this, I see a lot of older people with acne. At an older age, you really don't have to have acne unless you're really a teenage. And the reason I say this is because of hygiene. Hygiene helps us keep our skin looking healthy. And the reason is people don't wash their hands, they don't wash their nails, they kind of use the wrong stuff. So I'm going to be talking about 4 items that you can use to clean your face. Make it quicker, clean, and free of bacteria. The reason again I want to talk about this is because people get confused with what to use, and a lot of people kind of tend to dwell on using the face clothes. This is the enemy of a smooth, wrinkleless looking face. And the reason I say that is bacteria thrives in face clothes. You wash your face with it, you leave it in the bathroom, it's hanging over there, it's wet. All the bacteria from flushing the toilet and spraying everything, it's attached to that towel. You use it again, you're gonna get acne. Also, it's kind of rough if you go too much around your skin with it. You form wrinkles, you even cause wrinkles to your face. So the enemy of a smooth, wrinkle-free skin is this: say no to face clothes. So I'm going to put that aside. The other thing I'm going to be talking about is a microfiber facial pad. It has 2 sides, the microfiber pad and the rough scrubby pad. So this rough portion, it takes care of the dead skin, all your makeup, and everything you want to come off your skin, the debris. So you kind of go in and take all your makeup out, all your debris, environmental pollution for the day. And then on this side is the microfiber where you smoothen yourself with it and take everything absolutely off, and your face will feel really clean. The reason that people really use the microfiber facial pads, it's good for removing makeup. It's known for that, and it's also known for removing wrinkles like the fine lines, because it's really smooth on the microfiber end. So the acne, the whiteheads, the bacteria, and also it does never disrupt your pH. That's why people really use this microfiber facial pad. Now, we have more options. We also have the sea sponges. Now, these are special. They're made with natural minerals. Minerals, I mean like potassium, zinc, magnesium. They're also made with sodium. I don't know. I feel like they're the best because they don't really absorb water. They're more plasticky feeling, but they're really good in exfoliating gently. They exfoliate your skin. So you want to use them. You don't want to use them with makeup because then you don't want it to stick on them. You rather take your makeup off with something else, but I find them really smooth because they're really good in removing the dead cells or dead skin off your face. And I think the mineral part of it helps with those. So that's another option. My final and favorite option is this brush. This is a facial scrub brush, and this one right here wins. The reason I say that is because it kind of effectively removes impurities of your skin 5 times better than anything else I talked about. So that's why I advise, especially women that use makeup a lot, you can use it under running shower. You just put batteries in it. You squirt a little bit of your cleanser, and you use it mildly and gently, and you have to switch every 10 seconds, less than a minute, all over your face. And it kind of really scrubs very well. It's suitable for all skin types. It's really soft. It feels like velvet. It's like one of the best items that I have. And it comes with its own line of cleansers, a new product. It has also a new cleansers for all skin types. They have the gel, they have the cream, they have the scrubs. So you buy them together and they're really reasonably priced. So if you want these products, go on my Instagram page and follow me, Kate Murray or Global Beauty Nurse. Also subscribe to learn more from me, and you're gonna have a smooth, squeaky looking face. Bye. Hit that subscribe button, that bell right there at the bottom. Cheers. It was nice to have you.